Welcome to our new video. Today, I will tell you about Veneria catheti in Georgia. One of the best restaurant and wine shop in Georgia. Simply amazing. A very nice and small place run by a family. Appears that every person in the family was doing it out of passion and their love for wine. Of course they have commercialized it. But the nice setup of wine tasting in different rooms in their family vacation home, outside and inside setup was so unique. Be it the beautiful plants and flowers trees outside or the decor inside, all make it a perfect cozy place. And it is just 1 hour from Tbilisi. There are many flowering plants and trees that grow here. Grapevines are most commonly seen here. They also have fish here which they use for food. Here, the weather is very good. Even with summer heat, it is still very cool and quiet. All the plants are naturally grown here, and are used for food. The grapevines are used to make wine. This is the side entrance of the house. The wine tasting was fun and very informative. He even explained the secrets and difference between those wine. George, the owner, is really awesome. He let us taste all different kinds of wine, from chacha to white dry, white semi-sweet, red dry, red semi-sweet, mix, and a lot more.
Basically of the leftovers of the grapes in general, and then after several months of fermentation we separate the juice from the leftovers of the grapes, okay, and the juice then goes inside a clay pot for further fermentation, but the leftovers of the grapes we don't throw them out, okay, we just put them inside this pot, we set it on fire, and all the alcohol that was inside the leftovers of the grapes becomes steam, and we basically distill it, okay? So steam comes inside this barrel where we have circulating cold water, and here it just cools down, and as a result we get this liquid that is called the chacha. So this one is 50% of alcohol. That's a minimum amount of alcohol percentage for chacha, because as I said, the leftovers had more alcohol in them because they were fermented with the juice together inside the clay pot for several months. Okay, so now let's take the glasses, guys. Yeah, so now first wine that we're going to taste is called Katyteli. So Katyteli comes from Kakheti, and it's one of the most popular white Georgian grape variety. And also the wine that is made from Katyteli is, by the way, mostly used at Georgian supra, so let's say the Georgian parties, okay? So, for example, marriage or some important feast or something like that, we have this wine a lot, and we drink this wine a lot as well. For example, if we are 200 people, that means we need 800 liters at least. So it goes like this, 3 or 4 liters per person. That's how it counts. Yeah. And this is the lightest wine you can find in Georgia. This one is also made with Saperavi grape variety, but the color is achieved without adding anything. And this is made, let's say it is possible because you can make even a white wine from a red grape variety, because the juice itself is transparent. And if you, the longer you leave the juice of the grape, and with the skins of the grape, darker color is going to get. So this one, we just separate the leftovers.
Thanks for watching. More videos to come out soon.
And that is the color that we get. Okay, so it doesn't have enough time to become more red color. So it becomes like this rose color.